All right, so pretty simple upgrade on these. There's not a lot of tools needed, but you do need a couple of things. So one of the items I highly suggest you use, these Volkswagens come with special clips that are kind of hard to, you're not really supposed to replace them. So we clip them with a pair of cutters, right? Anytime you order these kits, they're gonna come with a couple of supplied parts. So they're gonna come with supplied clamps, hose clamps, for the hoses that come off the car that connect to the actual blow-off valve, and you're just going to need a flathead screwdriver to put those on. So pretty short tool list. I'm going to show you this quick install, and then we're going to hear what it sounds like. All right, so we got that stock diverter valve out. So pretty simple design. You're gonna have a vacuum hose come out in here, and you're gonna have your two main hoses that come here. So this basically just recirculates air back into the intake. So we don't really want that if you're trying to get that whooshy noise. So what this does is extra boost pressure is actually blown out through this guy. So you have the same two ports like you do on the diverter valve, this one and this one, but now the extra boost pressure comes through here, so it goes into the atmosphere and it doesn't get recirculated back into the system. So this is where your noise is going to come from. So let's go ahead and get this installed real quick, and then we'll get some cool boost noises. So that was pretty drastically different. I think we're going in the right direction. I think that this customer is going to really enjoy the way that sounds. And we got a couple more goodies for this car coming a little bit later down the line. A downpipe, some tuning, some things of that nature. So I'm excited to see this project unfold. But for now, I think that little bit of extra sound, especially on those downshifts, and whenever you're in acceleration and you get out and that boost pressure has to escape, the little flutter noise, that little I think the customer is really going to enjoy that. So this wraps it up for another install from C.A.R.S, and we'll see you guys on the next one.